Welcome to the project demonstration of joystick controlling with robot. So in this video you can see that we are using Arduino Nano board to operate the two servo motors. This one are the servo motor and this one is the joystick module. And this one is a track PCB which is also known as breadboard, and we are using power supply for the project. We are using this adapter. It takes 230 volts of AC and provides us 5 volts of constant DC. With that 5 volts of constant DC, it is giving power supply to the track PCB. From this track PCB, joystick, servo motor and Arduino Nano gets power supply. So this one is the joystick module where we can operate the front, back and left or right direction of the servo motors. So now when we control this joystick, then it will give the signal to the Arduino Nano board. From this Arduino Nano board, the servo motors will control. So now we are on the key. So here you can see that the light indication, the power is on. So now you can see that I am operating the joystick. So you can see that. Front to back. So like this you can operate with joystick. Thank you.